Okay guys, so let me unveil this box that was shipped to me. So it's a blue screen glass, so I don't have any issues with my eyes while working with the system. Yeah, so this is a typical day in the morning. Of course, after I have my prayers, I study a book, an inspirational book. This is The Power of Self-Discipline. No excuses. Self-motivation, just to ginger myself. Now, in the mornings, we are all advised to take water, right? So that's what I usually do with my Lambertokun thermostat flask. It gives me the temperature of the water inside. It's a beautiful flask. We'll also be gifting it out. Yeah, so guys, I would love you to subscribe to the channel just to inspire me, so I can make this kind of videos to inspire young entrepreneurs out there, so we can create a bigger ecosystem. Thank you guys. So, yeah, let me introduce you to the community. Hello guys, so this is Professor Chomo Light. It's going to be throwing light in darkness. Spread amazing content from him. Amazing content. It's a beautiful art. Okay, but there's something he's going to throw light on now, which is his dance step. I want to learn it. Okay, but you guys will encourage me the comment section if I'm getting it. So Prof, throw more light on your special dance step.
Alright, it's my work, anything that is to throw light on. You can meet me up here, I'll throw light on it. So right now,
so
let's go.
How do I post?
Okay, alright, so you stand right now, let's move. Okay, let's go. This is the first step.
Okay guys, thank you so much. I'm sure I nailed it. So in the comment section, you guys should let me know if I'm better than him in this dance. Thank you guys. So this is me setting up for a talk show later that day. This is someone who has gained significantly in our project. So he made a video and we had to invite him to the studio so we can have a one-on-one interaction. So this is me getting set for the shoot. Of course, you always need to keep water by the side so you don't get choked while talking. Yeah, still with our beautiful thermostat flags. Hi guys, welcome to the BBS show, the Blockchain Brothers and Sisters Network. Today with me I have an exceptional person. Every Saturday they say we have the latest couple, right? He is the latest Bull Run participator. When is the word participator? In the Lambertokun project. He came in with I think $6. So I watched his video, so we had to invite him to to share it personally. From the video, that $6 became $750, and I think the all-time high was up to $1,000+. This is the opportunity that the crypto market brings. Amazing opportunities. Okay, guys, so we are off to check the hall for the event. for the blockchain conference event. Okay, live and direct. So we're leaving home now to check. This is Crypto Brother. This is good. Okay guys, so this is part 1. Subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy part 2 coming up this same week. See you guys. Bye.